Time for your legs, then your knees. Wash them gently, just like these. Don't miss your feet between each toe. Now we're sparkling head to toe. Take your washcloth, soft and light. Wipe your neck and hold it tight. Behind your ears, now don't be shy. We want to shine just like the sky. Now it's time to wash your face. Gentle hands, a slower pace. Close your eyes and count to 3. Rinsing off so you can see. Shampoo goes right on your hair. Rub in circles with loving care. Scrub the top and then the side. Let the water be your guide. Now clean your bottom, don't be shy. Every kid gives it a try. Use soft soap, then rinse it well. That's the part we never smell. Time to rinse from top to toe. Watch the water gently flow. All the bubbles now are gone. You're so clean, it won't be long. Step up slowly, grab your towel. Wrap it up and give a howl. Dry your body nice and slow. From your head down to your toe. Put on your jammies so